leaders, which presently are not to be seen. अभी तो जो आपके नेता हैं, ये दो कौड़ी के लोग हैं, they are men of birth, men of straw, they are nothing. Of all parties, I am not blaming up any particular party. क्या दो कौड़ी के, they are not worth even talking to. I don't even like to talk to politicians. Such worthless people these people are. Call the Hindu Panditji at night secretly, give him some money and say from tomorrow start speaking against Muslims. Similarly, he would call the Maulana in the night, give him some money and say from tomorrow start speaking against Hindus. Then agent provocateurs were hired. That some cow was slaughtered. Overnight the carcass of the cow was thrown into a Hindu temple and on the wall it was written Allahu Akbar. So when Hindus would get up in the morning and read this, they would think all Muslims are evil people, bad people, and all kill a pig, throw the carcass of the pig in a mosque and write on the wall Jai Shri Ram or Jai Bajrang Bali, so that when Muslims would get up, they would read this and they would think all Hindus are bad people. See, this policy was pursued year after year, decade after decade, from Aid for Parliamentary Democracy. And how does parliamentary democracy function in this country? Everybody knows. 90% people, when they go to vote, they don't see the merit of the candidate, whether he's a good man, bad man, educated, uneducated, criminal, non-criminal. सीधे भेड़ बकरी जैसे, like sheep and cattle, जात बरादरी पे वोट डाल दोगे. I must tell you, I am a very blunt man. I have no respect for politicians. Most of them are rogues and rascals. They are crooks, hoodlums, gangsters, mafia. They have deceivers. They have no genuine love for the country. They only seek power and wealth for themselves or their families. कुछ देश से प्रेम है इन लोगों को? बस वोट मिल जाए हमको, by hook or crook I must get vote, I must get elected, सत्ता मिल जाए, power मिल जाए. Corrupt Justice, Mr. Shanti Bhushan, very eminent lawyer, former Union Law Minister, filed an affidavit in 2009, I think, in which he gave the names of, he said out of 16 former Chief Justice of India, 8 were definitely corrupt. And mind you, these are Chief Justice of India. 8 were definitely corrupt. 2 about which there is some doubt whether there is corrupt or honest. 6, they were definitely honest. He has given the names, and he's not an ordinary man. He was Union Law Minister and top Supreme Court lawyer. कितना corruption फैल